Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with the BBB Duo that is releasing with Kozmik Nails tomorrow. That is Monday, February 13th. Now that bright green you see there, it is called Blarney Stone Blessings. It's a really pretty green. And then that lighter green is Gaelic Glitter, and they're really fun. Great colors for St. Patty's Day, and check out that glitter right there with the little shamrocks in there. And then we are going to be doing the gel method today. We're going to switch things up. So when I'm doing the gel method, the first layer, I do a very, very thin layer, and I do not coat the entire nail because I'm going to build up that dip powder with that second layer of the gel base. So that's what you're going to see here. So after I dust it off, it's going to look a little bit sparse, but I do that for a reason so my nail is not too bulky with the gel method. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is a gel method mani with Kozmik Nails BBB Duo. Now this duo is releasing tomorrow, February 13th, and this duo is set at a special price, and it's good for the whole entire week. So it's very exciting. So I will go ahead and list everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. It's going to be a watch me do a mani type of video, so I will not be popping in at the end, but stay tuned. Tomorrow we are doing a double feature. There's a lot of good things happening this week in the nail community, especially with Kozmik Nails. There's this gorgeous St. Patty's Day BBB Duo, which is amazing. And there is some new releases coming out with Kozmik Nails this week, so you do not want to miss tomorrow. It is going to be very fun and vibrant, and you do not want to miss it. And then we're going to do a bonus video tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for that. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see part 2 of tomorrow's Kozmik Nails mani adventure that we're going to be on. And I hope you enjoyed this video and are enjoying the Super Bowl, because that is on tonight. And I will see you in tomorrow's upload.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.